Here we are, getting ready to get a busy day meal ready. Not a big meal, because I got all this work to do. Yeah, like I'm going to get it done today. Slowly but surely, Rome was not built in a day. This is my kitchen, my laundry room. I got a lot of work to do. Help! So, I've got some potatoes cooking in here with some chicken broth. I got my tea water boiling right here. Let me get some tea bags out and put in some good old Louisiana tea. Get it going. Maybe I'm doing it wrong compared with what some people say, but it works. Let it get a little foam up there on top. Turn it up on high. Move this off the stove. Wow. And I reverse osmosis water. All right, put the lid on the potatoes. No salt because the chicken broth has plenty. My husband can add later. I'm not supposed to have very much salt. Here's a piece of Angus beef roast. I need to straighten that thing out. Yeah, there we go. And I'm gonna put this taco seasoning mix on top. My husband does like it kind of spicy. That'll make a good roast right there. Taco seasoning on black Angus roast beef. Pour in some little sauce, spread out that. Okay, my fingers were washed. They were not dirty. Okay, a little more water. What do you say? That's good. And put the lid on. Turn it to high. Set it and forget it. Supper will be ready when I hear the door open and I hear my husband coming in and saying, "Oh, hi, I'm home. What's for dinner?" Well, he'll have some vegetables to go along with this. I'm still painting on that. Myrtle's saying, "Well, where's my din-din?" Anyhow, we'll have an easy supper because by the time dinner time comes tonight, I'm going to be too tired to do much of anything more than serve it up. Have a good day.